Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. Spring is in the air and it's the perfect time to clean. Especially with an April lockdown, what better time than to accomplish all these goals? Here are 4 of the most important things you could focus on this year. Number 1, look for standing water. Go around your home after the next rainfall to see if you can see any puddling water. If you do, this is the time to correct it so you don't get any leaking into your foundation, and on a side note, you'll actually probably protect yourself from insects and mosquitoes for the season. Number 2, clean your trash cans. When was the last time you cleaned your green bin? This is the perfect time of year to go outside, wash them down, your recycling bin, your garbage bin, your green bin, and then utilize the sun to dry them out. Number 3, check your air conditioning. This is the perfect time of year to go outside to check it out before you rely on it for the entire summer. During the winter time, rodents and mice can get in there and bite wires, which means you might need to replace it or repair it, so this is the perfect time of year to take a look at it. Number 4, wash your windows and screens. Get outside on a nice day and ensure you wash the insides and the outsides, and don't forget about the screens because they can collect some serious grime over the winter. If you're looking for more spring to-do lists, click the link below and get 4 more amazing ideas that you can utilize this spring. Also, if you're thinking about buying or selling to take advantage of this hot real estate market, let me know so we can set up a time to meet.
Thank you very much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions or if you're looking to buy or sell, go to our website and contact us today. Knowledge is power and creates experts in understanding. If you want power, hit thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get weekly videos from me, your knowledge broker.